And welcome to another update video on Doge. Yeah, here on the Doge chart, you can see that the price continues to grind higher. In line with expectations, the price has nearly reached the target at around 28 cents. We're not quite there yet, but as you know, this kind of was our next target, or 28 to 29. So of course we've reached 28 cents, but it's the 100% extension at 28.7 cents. I don't see any sign of exhaustion. It appears likely that we might see some further direct upside extensions over the coming sessions, maybe potentially even towards 33.8 cents or 37.4 cents. These are the next upside levels should the price break above that 100% extension. Please note that there is also some structural resistance most likely in this area from the previous swing high in February this year. Maybe not major resistance, but the 100% extension level is typically meaningful. Okay, so it's definitely something to watch. Next breakout point there, and then I mean, in terms of wave count, wave structure, we're still looking for higher prices and for the price to reach basically all-time highs. That would be ideal. The price has not yet reached obviously all-time high territory, but it's not yet clear whether it's the yellow scenario that's unfolding here or the orange scenario. I would prefer the orange scenario, in which we're moving up in an ABC structure. At some point, then complete the C wave of A, then get a B wave pullback before we go higher in wave C. To be honest, the orange C wave should complete in the blue zone between 29 cents and 44 cents. There's currently no sign that this orange C wave has actually formed the top. The yellow count is possible. It would be kind of a more direct way to the upside and would probably provide a bit more of a nice, 1-2 setup entry before going higher in a very aggressive third wave. But also here, I have no evidence that wave 1 has topped. And the direct or support for this direct upside impulse is between 20 cents and 24 cents. A wave 2 can, of course, go a little lower. A B wave can also go a little lower. But to keep this direct uptrend alive, the price should hold above 20 cents. But I have some more support levels on the smaller time frame because this area is quite far away. So let us also take a look at the smaller, shorter time frame. You can see the direct move up in action with a detailed wave count. So we can add another micro support area today. I'm tracking this C wave as an ending diagonal. Just aligns best with microstructures. We have 3 waves in wave 1. We have 3 waves in wave 2. And then the A wave is also an A, B, C structure. Of A, and then a B wave pullback, and then a C wave rally. And that C wave rally could reach 29 cents next, or 31 cents. These are just the next resistance levels on the micro level. And then in terms of support, I mean, is there a way here to add another micro support zone? It's tricky. It's tricky because the nano structures aren't super clear, but I think, we could make a case for maybe a wave 1, a wave 2, and honestly, maybe this is another ending diagonal, because where we have an A wave, a B wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 3, 4, 5. Of course, you get a lot of distortions on these smaller time frames, but the point here is, the purpose is to add a micro support zone that we can observe in addition to the one we already have, something that's maybe a little closer to the price, but it won't be much closer actually. So yeah, it's this one. So 24 cents to 26.3 cents. In case we get this pullback in wave 4, which might start from 29 cents, a bit too early to say, then this would be the first support zone to watch between 24 cents and 26.3 cents. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. If you want to learn Elliott Wave, we're also offering a course that's part of the membership. I'm uploading course videos at the moment, explaining all the patterns and basically what I know. That's included. Also, make sure that you follow us on X as well for additional updates, video updates, additional bonus updates, and so on. You can ask questions and much more. quick reminder for anybody who's considering to join as a member or here on X, we would never ever send you a direct message, okay? So we don't contact you directly to ask you for funds. We won't invest for you. We don't trade for you. There's no copy trading platform I'm endorsing, yeah? I'm not asking you to send in dodgy ways money to something. Not happening, okay? So those are scammers, impersonators, and I'm highlighting this specifically because I want to be proactive here. The market is heating up, new people coming into the space. There are even people who have never came in contact with crypto. So honestly, before you do anything, make sure that you understand what you're getting into, the crypto world. Yeah, don't get greedy and just sit back and learn first, okay? And also, don't make any decisions based on greed. Don't send anybody money just because they use an MCO logo. It's not happening, okay? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.